All right, the next piece I got to do is the easiest piece of this whole thing, the shortest video. So I'm just going to turn off most of these pieces. Really, I can deal with any of them. I need to make a piece that fits in this hole, is really what we're going for here. So I'm going to make a sketch right here. Oh, no, wait. Always got to create a new component. So new component. The component's going to be called uh, connector. And I'm going to do the connector right here, and I'm going to hit continue. I'm not going to worry about that piece in the way. I'm going to project the geometry of this shape, right? And basically all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit finish sketch, and we are going to do an extrude of this shape. That's going to be symmetrical. I believe it's 0.57, but I could be wrong. I look at it from the top. I believe that's right, but before I do it, I am going to go and verify, like with the bed. So like if I open the bed right here, I look at a past extrusion from the bed. I'm going to hit cancel on this before I go ahead. So let's go to the bed. I'm just going to verify how far this extrusion was, and it is 0.57, so that will be correct. So I'm going to go back here. We're going to go to extrude, select this. We're going to go to symmetric, and we're going to go 0.57. So that's going to be the connector. Go in there, we can actually move it out of here now. And I want to do a physical material on this. And let's just make this plastic ABS. Nice and easy. Okay, so I'm going to save that, and that is the connector.